Congratulations, you're thinking of purchasing your first home. Today I'm going to provide you with a handy checklist of some things to look out for in the plumbing, heating, and air conditioning arena. One thing to check is the water pressure. If it's either too high or too low, it could cause you a problem in the future. To check for low water pressure, run the water in the basement, maybe in the laundry tub, and then go up to the second floor bathroom and run it in the tub. If you get adequate water supply there, you probably have enough pressure. To check for high pressure, look for excessive force. You can also get your pressure checked with a gauge. Your pressure should be between 40 and 80 psi. Another very important thing to check is the condition of the sewer. A defective or root-infested sewer can cost thousands of dollars down the road. The best way to have that checked is to have a plumbing company come and camera the sewer line, and they can actually look inside that pipe and tell you the quality of your sewer. It's important to check the condition of all the plumbing fixtures and faucets before you purchase a home. Two in particular that frequently cause people problems are the toilets and the tub and shower areas. To properly check a toilet, flush it, make sure that it shuts off. Grab the toilet at the bowl and see if it rocks either side to side or forward or backward. Also, look around the floor tile real close to the toilet and check for soft spots or marshy areas. This could mean that the toilet has been leaking and that the subfloor is damaged. When you look at the tub area, you want to look for loose tile or soft spots in the shower area. If possible, open the access panel that's usually behind the bathtub and look for signs of water damage in the past. The two most expensive appliances in the home are the water heater and the furnace, usually located in the basement. You can check the age of them frequently by checking the serial number or model number on the plate at the bottom of the appliance. So if you need any help with your plumbing problem, don't hesitate to call us at 412-271-0900 or visit us on the web at sullivanservice.com.
If you want an expert opinion, call for a hero from Sullivan Super Service. Our family has been helping homeowners since 1964.